camera rolling, audio speed, scene 6, take 1, action. Let me tell you about Yanagiba horror story. Once upon a time, there was a chef who was kind of neat freak. Every night, after he's finished, he washed his blade and put it on the cutting board. Then he boiled some water. Then he poured boiling hot water onto his Yanagiba blade. No, I'm not going to do that. You know, the really sad part of this story is he had no evil intention. All he wanted was just to make sure he disinfected all his cooking utensils, equipment. By the way, do you know the difference between disinfect and sanitize? Maybe I will talk about that in the next video, or I just write it in the video description. Anyway, what he didn't know was Yanagiba's blade, they act like bimetal plate in thermostat switch. You know the bimetal plate in thermostat switch, right? Two different type of metal bonded together. They have different thermal expansion rate. So as the temperature rises, one side expands more, and temperature goes down, one side contracts more. Yanagiba's blade essentially does the same thing. If you repeatedly pour boiling hot water, it actually curves this way. But you know, there is a lot more common cause of Yanagiba blade bending. Let's say you are cutting a raw salmon. If you are in the business, you know it can get kind of sticky. So in the middle of cutting, the blade gets stuck. If you try to get the blade out of there by pushing down really hard, this way, you can actually cause permanent damage, curving the blade to this way. The reason is that Yanagiba has concaved backside, right? The tape measure has one side concave. If the force is applied this way, it's actually pretty strong. But if the force is applied this way, it gets bent very easily. So this is a quick follow-up of my previous video. Well, it's raining and I just wanted to make a little bit more cinematic video. So the color and lighting is intentional. I turned off the ceiling light and I'm only using the natural light coming from the window and Aperture MC. Anyhow, next video I am really going to talk about my minimalistic sharpening stone setup. So see you in the next video. Cut.